Hello, today I'm going to talk about this bacon grease container. We like to use bacon grease, specifically my husband likes to use bacon grease a lot, and a lot of times he will collect it in any kind of like coffee mug that we have. Problem is there's not a lid for it. So I was on the hunt for something I could put it in, and I saw this super cute bacon grease canister online, and I just had to have it. And I like how it's a red, but it's not like a bright red. It's more of a dark red, and the words and the pictures on it is actually more of like a grayish color, and I think it contrasts really pretty with the red. So I'm going to take the lid off and show you what it looks like on the inside, because it's not just a canister. It also comes with this little strainer or colander, whatever you want to call it, and then the grease will collect in there. The strainer collects any of the big chunks when you're trying to pour the bacon grease into something. It's going to catch all that so that you just get the bacon grease on the inside. Anyways, there you have it. And then I'll show you a close-up of it next to my stove because I think it is just adorable. So here it is up close, and I think it just looks so cute next to my stove and with the backsplash.